In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use stop limit in TradingView Mobile. A stop limit order helps you control entries and exits by combining two prices: the stop price, which triggers the order, and the limit price, which is the worst price you're willing to accept. This gives you precision, especially in fast markets. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone. From the bottom menu, head to Charts so you can see live price action and place orders in context. Once your chart is open, tap the trade ticket icon at the bottom, the one with the up and down arrows. This brings up the order panel where you'll set everything up. First, choose whether you want to buy or sell. Buy is for entering long or covering a short. Sell is for taking profit on a long or opening a short, depending on your broker connection. Pick the side that matches your plan, then confirm the symbol and account at the top so you're trading the right market. Now look for the order type selector. Tap Limit to define the price where you're willing to transact or take profit. A limit order fills at your price or better, never worse, so it's great for controlled entries and exits. Next, tap Stop to define the trigger price that turns your instruction into an active order once price reaches that level. A stop can help you enter on momentum or protect a position with a defined trigger. To place a stop limit, use both values together in the order ticket. Set your stop price where you want the order to activate, and set your limit price where you're willing to be filled. Many broker panels inside TradingView show these fields on the same screen when stop limit is selected. If yours shows stop and limit separately, enter the corresponding prices in each section before confirming. Before you send the order, double-check quantity, risk, and the price levels on the chart. Volatile markets can move quickly, so set prices with a little buffer. When everything looks right, confirm the trade. That's it, chart. Open the ticket, choose buy or sell, set your stop and limit, and place the order with confidence.